Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be talking how to change name here on Monopoly Go. So first thing you need to do is open the application and click on the three bars menu on the upper right corner of the screen. And here you'll be able to see your profile. You just need to click on it and here you'll be able to see your player profile. You can click on the pencil icon. Just to inform you, this can only be done once. So if you will be changing your name, make sure that you want that as a permanent name here for your Monopoly Go account. So here you can change your name. Once you're done, it should be at least 3 characters. And then you just need to click on submit. And then once you have hit the submit, your profile name will now be changed into whatever name you want it to be. And that's basically it. So when you go click on your profile once again, you don't have the option already to edit or change your name here on Monopoly Go. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye!